Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick and in-depth comparison review about these two AI note-taking app, which is ClickUp and Notta. So to get started with quick analysis about these two AI platforms, ClickUp is a comprehensive productivity platform designed for project management and team collaboration. It lets you combine tasks, document goals, and timeline together with a unified space perfect for people who want their notes directly tied to their daily workflow. With a powerful collaboration, flexible view option, and automation, ClickUp is a strong match for project manager and a team who need a tools that bring everything together. So talking about Notta, on the other hand, focused on effortless transcription and meeting note. It converts meetings, phone calls, and conversations into a researchable text in real time and highlights the key point, making it perfect for busy people who want to capture information without manually taking note. So if you need a robust platform to manage all your tasks alongside your note, go for ClickUp. But if you want a tools that quickly convert conversations into an actionable note, Notta might be the best match for you in 2025. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about any of these two platforms and how you think they can help you automate your work. And that's it.